I am proud of myself. I enjoy what I do and how I do it. I am confident about myself. I am unique. I deserve the best in my life. I am capable of loving and finding peace within me. I am full of life and acceptance. I am excited to embrace challenges. I am eagerly waiting to grasp opportunities and give my best shot. I am full of life and acceptance. I have a fantastic family and wonderful friends. I do not allow others to take charge of my life. I am a gift and not an option. I do not hold on to the past. It does not define me. I believe today is more beautiful than yesterday. I am a creative individual and believe in realizing my dreams. I forgive those who hurt me because forgiveness is divine. I am intelligent and independent to follow my dreams. With each passing day, I am growing and getting better. I know my abilities and I know how to use them in the best possible manner. I can lead projects from inception to reality. I am clear of self-doubts and can powerfully attract others towards me. I offer meaningful contributions. I am not worth settling for less. I cannot wait to see my efforts bearing good fruit. Obstacles and hardships improve me. They are not worth shattering my confidence. If I decide to achieve something, I make it happen with my dedication and hard work. I have a multitude of excellent skills. I do not regret my decisions. I am going to make myself, my family, and my God proud. My mantra is yes, I can, and of course I will. I have the right things, not the easy things. I have a purposeful life and nurture only positivity. I can do anything because I am a magnet to success. I respect myself. I laugh and enjoy everything. I am engineered for success and strive to take action. I appreciate all the blessings in life and aspire to be a stronger woman. I am updated. Learning is a lifelong journey, and I am an enthusiastic learner. I know things do not happen overnight. I am patient with myself.